Okay, for that last section there, what we want to do is we want to do a sketch on this face. So we'll go look at that face, and we'll draw a circle. And I'm just going to draw a circle anywhere, I don't care. I do know that it wants to be a 4-inch diameter, I believe. And then from the center of that out to this edge, that needs to be 0.125. And then from this line to the center, that needs to be 0. That's all I need for that. Now, actually, what you could do is you could go in there and draw a circle in here, and then draw some line work. Okay, and then trim that out, and then do some dimensioning, maybe 0.2188. Okay, and let's see what we can do here. Now that does move out, so we'll go in there and smart dimension from there to there, 0.125. Okay, and then from center point to this center, 1.375, I believe. Yep. Okay, and that's all for the dimensions, and we'll add another relation. This line and that arc, and make them tangent. Wouldn't necessarily have to, but that way they'll be locked together. Oh, and actually, I don't need that line at all. Sorry, not for the way I'm doing it now. I am going to trim that out, trim that, trim that. Okay, and now we're done with that. So we'll exit the sketch, rotate that around so you can see it, extrude boss, this piece right here. Obviously that's too much, 4375 I believe is the right amount. Okay, I probably would save that. Alright, then I need to put in the holes. Now you see that line showing up there. If we go back to sketch 7 there and just hide that, that takes care of that. Well, now what I'll do is create another sketch on this face. And I'm going to draw a line, but I want it to be for construction only. Now I'm going to go back and look at that straight on there. And I'll just put that anywhere. Now there should be able to snap to the center point. Okay, there's one. I'll end the chain and come out this way, and then I'll want to put a dimension in there. I'll go from this line to this line, and that's 30 degrees, and then I want to go along this line right here, 1.375. So that sets up my endpoint configuration for my hole. So I'll exit the sketch. I'll go to the hole wizard. It's a plain hole that is 4375. I've still got fractional. It's 7/16. Up to next is good. Position, I want it on this plane, and I want to snap right to that endpoint. And that's done. Okay, now again I can hide sketch 9 there. And now I'll do that circular pattern again. And I want features wise, I'll double click that. Come on. Hit that hole. Okay. axis wants to be here, 120 degrees. I want 2 of them. I'm going to flip that so it goes back up there. 120 degrees, 2 within that 120 degrees. And there are your holes. So I would save that. And now it's just a matter of putting in the fillets. So I'll go in there and fill it, and I want 0.0625. Now I like to pick all of these, but not that one. Clear that selection. I want this line, that line, that one, that one. Rotate that around. This one, that one, and that one. Go ahead and create those. Then I'll go back in and put it in again. And I'll pick here. That'll get all those. There, get all those. I can get this one while I'm at it. And again, I don't like to put them all in with the same command, because if you have to change any of the sizes, that can be a problem. Maybe get all these. And actually, you could get all these at one time. They're probably realistically all going to be the same. And it got the whole face. That's fine. You could do the whole face. Oh, I can't do the whole face there. I'm going to take that face back out. Delete that face. I don't want to get the top. Okay, and that takes care of all that. Fill it. And that's it. It's done. Hit the save button, and we're done.